Imagine a seamless food safety audit with no hiccups and full compliance. Sounds ideal, right? It all starts with mastering SQF verification requirements. Discover how you make this a reality and clear of costly mistakes in today's video. My name is Felicia Loo and I'm a registered SQF consultant helping businesses with their SQF program compliance. Today, we're unpacking the world of SQF verification requirements, demystifying what they are, when they apply, and how you can seamlessly integrate them into your food safety strategy. So, what exactly is SQF verification? It's the ongoing process of confirming that your food safety controls are operating effectively and as planned. Unlike validation, which focuses on establishing initial effectiveness, verification is about ensuring continued efficacy over time. Now, when do these verification requirements apply to you? The truth is, SQF verification is a continuous, integral part of your operations. It applies at regular intervals, whether it's through routine monitoring, internal audits, or reassessments spurred by changes in your processes or industry standards. To successfully meet SQF verification requirements, focus on three key aspects: monitoring, auditing, and record keeping. Your verification should include regular checks via instruments, visual inspections, microbiological testing, and internal audits to ensure controls are being implemented effectively. Good record keeping establishes a document trail that substantiates your verification activities. Navigating the complexities of verification can be daunting, but partnering with a seasoned SQF consultant like myself can be a game changer. We can help you identify potential gaps and implement corrective actions before they become costly mistakes. Receive personalized strategies can streamline your verification process, making compliance a stress-free experience. Book a strategy call with us at 1-236-513-2488, and let's transform your verification process into a model of efficiency and reliability. Subscribe for more food safety tips and SQF certification insights. If you have any questions or need further clarification, drop them in the comments below.